You cannot just serve the tea the same way you prepared it. No, we don't do that here. Hey friends, thank you so much for stopping by. I've been away for 16 days. I haven't uploaded for 2 weeks. I know. I know some of you have not even noticed. So nilikuwa tu najichocha, you know, people are looking for you, people are wondering where you've been. But anyway, there are those people who have really noticed that I've been away. But I've been away for a good cause, which I'll tell you as I serve you tea. So today I'm going to show you my favorite type of tea, the tea that I love. Oh my god, we're going to cook herbal tea. I don't know whether it qualifies to be herbal tea, but I think it does. But it's one of my favorites. So yeah, let's get cooking. What we need is a sufuria, a packet of milk. This is my favorite. We don't have scissors in this kitchen. I don't know where it went to. We developed legs. So I'm using a knife. So I'm just going, since the tea is just for me, and you guys, this tea is real tea. This tea is sweeter than Edgar Obare.
So shut the hell up.
This tea is the realest, you guys. This is the realest tea. It's better and sweeter than Edgar Obare's.
Shut up! Just shut up, you idiot!
So, do we put all the milk? Yeah. Then we are going to add water. Just enough. You know, you want your tea to be thick. You want it to have some. You want it to have enough milk. Yeah, you don't want tea. You don't want see-through tea. You don't want that. We don't do that here. We serve real tea. We serve genuine tea here in this kitchen. And then you're going to use ginger powder. You guys, I need to learn how to measure my ingredients. But I don't mind, so long as I'm not baking, anything is eyeballing. You put until the ancestors tells you enough is enough. You put until your ancestors calls you in your 4. But anyway, you guys, just put as much as you want. Put wewe ndio unajua kenye unataka, ile kiasi unataka, just put that. But yeah, also I don't like putting too much. I don't like to put in too much ginger because I feel when I put too much inanichoma kwa koo. Our other ingredient, which is our main ingredient, apart from this is our secret. Okay, not main, but secret. Our secret ingredients. When I add this, your normal tea is never normal again. It's never your kawaida tea. So here is it's lemongrass. So I got this lemongrass like 3 weeks ago, and I've been using it not every single day, but frequently. Oh my god, it smells so good. I like putting everything together. I don't wait for water to boil, milk to boil. I put everything together so that they can. Have you seen? I put everything. I'm all over. Are you getting the procedure? So what I did, I added milk, then water, then ginger, and then now our secret ingredient, which is lemongrass. You guys, this tea is gonna be amazeballs. Next thing I'm going to add is tea leaves. You can add the other one. You can add you can add any tea leaves that you want. So for today I'm going to use tea bags, and I'm going to put it here ndo zichemkiane pamoja so that they can boil together. You know, the flavors can infuse and mix and bond and get married and have kids inside this sufuria, and then we are going to have an amazing product which is going to be our tea. So I've just added 2 tea bags. We are going to let our tea boil and just give it time to boil. When it boils, this is what I do. When it boils, I wait for it to come up, to boil up to half, and then reduce the heat. Just give it time for all the flavors to infuse into the tea. Our tea is ready. We've given it enough time to boil and, you know, everything to infuse. I love the color and everything, which I'm going to show you in a bit. But before I show you guys, before we serve this tea, there's something we need to do. Just hold on a second. This one you have to do it. It's a must. According to me, it's a must. You have to do it. So the next thing after your tea is cooked, it's actually preparing yourself to get ready to serve the tea. So you have to prepare. You cannot just serve the tea the same way you prepared it. No, we don't do that here, okay? You know, this is just me being extra. So yeah, my tea is ready, as I told you earlier. So what I did, I transferred my tea to this little cute kettle. So you can do that. You can transfer your tea to your kettle or to your flask, thermos flask, or wherever you want it. You can serve it from the sufuria, however you love it, okay? So for me, I'm going to serve it in this little cute, it's so cute, you guys, so cute kettle. And I'm not sure, I'm wondering whether to serve with the same cups that a kettle comes with, but I'm not sure whether to serve it or to serve it with a bigger cup. And I'm going to enjoy my tea, you guys. I'm going to serve my tea with these yummy chapos that I made like 2 days ago. They're so delicious, you guys. My chapos taste the best. Okay, I am blowing my own trumpet. Probably could have done anyway, but I love it. So we're going to taste our tea. And you guys, already it smells so good. So let's go ahead and pour our tea into our little cute cup and taste it. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and taste this tea for you. Guys, this is the best tea. I love it. As I said, this is my favorite tea so far, and I love it so much. I love it so much. So much. It's so good. So I'm going to go ahead and have my tea with my chapati. This is the best tea. I almost dropped it. So guys, go ahead and try out making lemongrass tea and come back and tell me how it tastes. It's just delicious. I'm sure once you make it, you'll never go back. So if there's any other way you like preparing your tea, go ahead and leave your recipe on the comment section below, and I'll be glad to try it out. Thank you so much, guys. I love you so much. Thank you for over 725 subscribers. Thank you so much. Please, if you're still watching this video and you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Thank you so much. See you next time. So let me go ahead and enjoy my tea with my outfit. Until you just add until your ancestors, nani we ebu wanaitwa nani, ancestors ama ancestors. I've had this gara I've had this ita wadoga ipapa nimesema I've had this lemongrass for like. So the next thing is to actually change. You cannot just prepare that tea and serve it the same way you prepared it. So you have to be a bit extra. Transfer your tea. Oh my god. You have to look good, you know. I know